is Lego Autobots Tornado. Now, this is a Lego mod of mine, so, don't get, because they'll say, oh, this is not a Lego set, this is my own creation, otherwise known as a mod. I created another Lego creation I will not mention because it's quite a long time ago. So, yeah. Now, calculation. The arms are on ball joints, the upper legs, ball joints, and the feet are on ball joints. Oh, and the head is on a ball joint as well. See? His weapon, here it is right here. This is just a shotgun. The attack on his hand, like so. I don't want to take that off right now. So, yeah, this is my first, this is my first Lego video. This is Andrew Island, signing off. Goodbye.